Hi guys, welcome back and thanks again for joining me in my ride today. I really do appreciate your company. Well, today I'm out on the tarmac. I had to take her winter cover off and take her out for a ride because it's such a glorious day. It really is. Absolutely freezing cold, mind. And today I'm testing out my Lake new winter cycling shoes, or boots really. Yeah, these are the CX146 guys. Yeah, I've never actually owned a pair of winter cycling boots before. Yeah, it's not the coldest of days today, to be fair. It's about 1 degree, which is cold enough really. Yeah, but so far my feet are nice and toasty. They are very comfortable. Yeah, it does feel a bit strange having a cycling boot on, to be fair. Yeah, size-wise, these are a 42 wide. Yeah, my Lake 239s are a 41.5. And they do recommend you go up a size. Well, they don't do the boot in a half size, to be fair. So it's either a 41, 42, 43, you know, etc. Yeah, there's plenty of room on them, to be fair, even with my thick winter socks on. Yeah, I'm really impressed with them so far. They're not fur lined or anything. I don't know why I thought they were, but I did. I guess it's just a winter boot. I just thought it was fur lined, but they're not. They're more of a thick insulated padding, if you know what I mean, which is keeping my feet quite warm with an insulated sole. Yeah, I'm doing about a 40-mile ride today, so we'll see how warm my feet remain throughout the ride, guys. So stay tuned, and as usual, let's see if we see anything interesting on today's ride. Yeah, temperature wise, guys, bottom left hand corner, you can see the 2 degrees. Yeah, it's really nice to be out on the tarmac, to be fair. I have missed her. Been out on the creel quite a lot lately. Yeah, route wise, I'm going up around Tiverton. It's all road. It's about a 40-mile loop with about 2,000 feet of climbing. Oh, I got a bit of a headwind. Wish I wore my skull cap today. Yeah, I didn't even bring it with me, unfortunately. Little note to self, always put the skull cap in your back pocket, Harvey. Just gonna give him a little tighten. Yeah, nice and easy to tighten up on the go, even with thick gloves on. I'm looking forward to the tailwind on the way home. Because this headwind is punishing. Well, so far guys, with it being such a cold day, my feet are still nice and warm. Yeah, they're toasting actually. The soles of these shoes are not carbon. They're like a really lightweight, stiff plastic. I must admit, these boots do look like they got a bit of weight on them, but they are seriously light, and they got no vents in the bottom. I don't know about you guys, if you've worn cycling shoes throughout winter, or if you put a bit of duct tape over the vents like I used to do, which did help, I must admit. But I don't have to do that on these boots, thankfully. Well, the road is literally cracking up, isn't it? Oh, it is nice when you come into the sun, I must admit. What a glorious day, isn't it, guys? It really is. I just love riding through winter, to be fair, I really do. Winter's a really special month to ride in. Yeah, though with these boots I've only gone up half a size from 41.5 to a 42. Just wiggling my toes around now. Yeah, with them being a wide foot, I've got room in them, guys. Yeah, I've really got room. I think if my next choice would have been going up to a 43, and I think that would have been just too big. Yeah, can I just say as well that all my reviews on all the products that I have featured on the channel, and you can see them all on the playlist. If you go into playlist, you can see all the products I reviewed, have all been paid for by me. Yeah, I've not been sent products to review on my channel, not been given anything, if you know what I mean. I've never been paid. Yeah, so they are honest, real world scenario reviews. My opinion only, guys, my opinion only. I know you guys don't know me, but I am an honest guy, an honest cyclist, and an honest guy. And if something really didn't work, I would tell you. So hopefully you can look at my reviews as a trusted review. If you see any products on the playlist that you're interested in, and you want a little bit more information, then leave us a comment, guys. Yeah, just got to tighten up my right boot again. It's not that it's coming loose. I just think it's just wearing in a bit now, getting a little bit more flexy, a little bit more comfortable. And I must admit, guys, they are very comfortable. You know, for a shoe I've just literally put on, taken to these like a duck to water, I really have. Yeah, they're really comfortable. Just coming into Columpton now, guys. To be honest, I thought I might see a few more cyclists out today. I think I've seen one. Oh, 2, 3 there, look. At the moment, I'm just riding for a place called Woodland, and from here I'll be making my way to Tiverton, hopefully with a tailwind. Hi fella. There's a nice canal path down there. I'll be riding that one soon. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I'm making my way down into Tiverton now, guys. I'll stop and show you the bike in a minute. Yeah, so this is a tarmac, and I'll show you how I've got it set up today. Obviously my radar, my little light there, my tool bottle, front camera light, and obviously my Wahoo. But yeah, she's absolutely flying along this morning. I love riding this bike, I really do. She is so comfortable. The shoes are working out really well, I'll show you that. Yeah, they've been lovely and comfortable. From my first ride, I'm really impressed with them, to be fair. No soreness, no nothing. These are the CX146 guys, and so far so good. Yeah, my feet are still nice and toasty. Yeah, I'm just on the return journey now, back into Exeter. Yeah, my head is absolutely freezing. I've got brain freeze. But me feet, yeah, so far so good. You know, I suppose the advantages of having an overshoe when you get back from a ride, especially if the lanes have been a bit mucky, you can just whip them off and chuck them in the washing machine. But with these boots, got to give them a good clean, ain't you? So that's something I'm going to have to get used to. Yeah, I always used to smile to myself when I would get home from a wet, dirty ride and I will peel my overshoes off from my my nice white Lake 239s, and they will still be nice and pristine underneath. Yeah, done 33.7 miles so far, 1,306 feet of elevation. Yeah, my feet are still nice and warm. Yeah, I'm rolling into Exeter now, guys. I think I'll make my way down to the river rather than go up through the town. All the cyclists having their coffees. I tend not to stop for a coffee when I'm out cycling. It's not my thing, if you know what I mean. That's good, he's got his helmet on his handlebars. It's clever, isn't it? He must know something we don't. He can predict his own accidents. Right guys, that's it from me for today's ride. I'll give you the stats. I've done just over 40 miles and 1,499 feet of climbing. That's the first ride over my brand new CX146 winter boot from Lake. And I must admit, they feel really nice. My feet have been toasting all day, but obviously time will tell as we go into the depths of winter. It's only been 2-3 degrees today. Yeah, stay tuned to see how they get on. Anyway guys, if I've entertained you in any way, please give us a like and come and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time guys, keep smiling and riding, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye bye.